point is this. Donald Trump doesn't need the fake news media and their AI crowd shots to win this thing. Because he's got inside information on Kamala Harris from someone she used to date.
Well, I know Willie Brown very well. In fact, I went down in a helicopter with him. We thought maybe this is the end. We were in a helicopter going to a certain location together. And there was an emergency landing. But he told me terrible things about her.
You were in a helicopter with former San Francisco Mayor Willie Brown, who famously dated Kamala Harris. And while the helicopter was going down, as you were plunging to your imminent death, former San Francisco Mayor Willie Brown turns to you and says, "This might not mean anything to you now, but do you remember that lady I was going out with? The prosecutor. Well, before we die, I just want you to know she's the worst. I do not want to meet my maker without giving you that piece of information. If you survive, you may need it." Oh, my God! I got to tell you, I'm sure a moment like that was seared not only into the memory of Donald Trump, but also into the memory of former Mayor Willie Brown.
To be clear, you have never been on a helicopter with Donald Trump.
No, I have not. Are you kidding me? I just assumed that he was on a helicopter ride with somebody black and he made a mistake and thought it was me.
What? What? That is so up. I'm sure that is not what happened. What are the chances Trump is just mixing up his black people?
It seems that the African-American politician in question was not Kamala Harris's ex, former San Francisco Mayor Willie Brown, but rather this man, Nate Holden, a former Los Angeles City Council member who says he had a bumpy ride with Trump in 1990.
Oh, my God! Do you know what this means? Nate Holden, former Los Angeles City Council member, told Donald Trump as their helicopter was going down bad things about Kamala Harris that I guess Willie Brown had told him if they knew each other. That is the only explanation, right?
Holden saying, quote, "Willie is the short black guy living in San Francisco. I'm a tall black guy living in Los Angeles. I guess we all look alike."
Hey! Donald Trump is not racist. He just meets a lot of people on death helicopters. And he needs some mnemonic device help. If the chopper goes down, that's not Willie Brown. A little mnemonic device. Here's one. If the flight's not going great, you're probably riding with Nate.